Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance for Bitcoin. First, you'll need to create and verify your Binance account, which is a straightforward process. Once verified, you can easily fund your account using several convenient methods, such as a bank transfer or a credit card. This initial setup ensures you are ready to explore the world of Bitcoin trading on a secure platform. Now, let's dive into buying Bitcoin. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance platform. Here, you can select Bitcoin and choose your preferred payment method, whether it's a bank transfer, credit card, or another option. Simply enter the amount you wish to purchase. The platform will guide you through the process, often with a minimum purchase of around $15. Selling your Bitcoin is just as simple. You can place a sell order to convert your Bitcoin back into fiat currency or another cryptocurrency. For more experienced users, Binance offers advanced trading features like limit and stop limit orders, allowing for precise control over your trades. Remember, trading fees are generally very low, often around 0.1% per transaction. Security is paramount when dealing with Bitcoin. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Binance account for an extra layer of protection. For larger holdings, many users opt to transfer their Bitcoin to a secure hardware wallet, offering robust offline storage. When you're ready, you can easily withdraw your funds to a linked bank account or another cryptocurrency wallet, ensuring full control over your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.